Okay, now it's turning out to be a nightmare, man. Still here. It's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I got here at 8:30 in the morning. Still waiting for them to fix my truck. You know, the people here in the office, they don't even communicate. Asked the lady, can I have an update or a time when they start working on my truck? She said, I don't know, and then put her head down. So I'm like, is it gonna be done today? She's had a little attitude or whatever, so it ain't really nothing I could do. It's going on 2 p.m., still here, still waiting for them on the side of the road, waiting for them to fix my truck. It's just an air tank. It's not even a big job. And just turned it into a nightmare, but I'm still here. Yeah, here go the tank right here. Working on it now. Had a big hole in it. I didn't know the tanks. It's right there. I'm gonna have to get this one replaced. So now they saying if they have the strap broke, gotta lift the batteries up to get to it. But that's the tank that fell. Big hole in it.